What has been accomplished here is our ultra high build Duratec primer has been sanded using the process of block sanding. Not just hitting it with a DA, but everything gets blocked. And blocking it ensures all of our lines are mint and straight. It's now ready for final primer and paint. No different than any of the other parts. When our part gets into final primer, which is our epoxy based primer, we do a final skim where you've seen us gone around and just every little tiny void. Every once in a while you'll see like a little pinhole be left over, somehow gets missed. You've seen them come in with lamps and shine it on the surface, and that helps them see all these different little imperfections. Absolutely the most important part of the job is right here. Whether you're in final primer before paint or final Duratec before gel coat, this is it. This is where all the body work pays off, but you can't dig, can't gouge, can't make a move, can't make a boo-boo. Stand 64 years young. Joe and Scotty have sanded the final part for the Mako 254. Last of the parts. Then we do a big cleanup and let the painting begin.